Here's a quick look at the eMiniDayTrader trades and market outlook for Friday, Feb 20, 2009. Quick look here at our market profiles. Here is today. This was yesterday. We were saying yesterday we did expect the continuation lower. We were talking about the 81 level acting as support. If it could stay underneath there, then we would continue to be looking for a preference to be a seller. Of course, early in the session, overnight session, it traded there, and then the rest of the session traded much lower. A weak open here in the regular trading hours, a late probe up almost to our resistance area, and then pulled back again. So the market is continuing to show its bearishness, and we expect that to continue, probably with in the area of the 775 area or so in here to continue to act as resistance, and that would be the next level for us to look at heading into next week. Here's our overlay here, and you can see I'm showing several of them here throughout the sessions that we have had, and of course we're getting continuation down here, which is what we were expecting. In other words, the condition of the market is still more leaning down than up. We had not a lot of trades today. I think we only had about 5 trades today, and you can see here we had a really nice triangle set up here to give us into a short trade, so we're able to participate in a really nice down move because of that, which was our first trade. We tried to get in short right in here. We did, and it did come down approximately 3 points in our favor, but we just got nicked by one tick out here. On this particular case, our stop of 1.5 points was just a hair too tight, and it probed back up there and just nicked us, so we ended up getting stopped out on that. Although in essence it was a good trade, it did move 3 points in our favor. But as the market started to rally, we had a nice entry in here, and it moved beautifully for us. We were able to participate in this 14 plus point move up auction. It was pretty swift and ended up with 8 3/4 points on our final partial on this swift move higher. We had another trade once the market dipped down into this balance area here. We got long, and that trade did move 2 3/4 points in our favor, and so we were able to take out a nice profit on that, although on our final partial on that one it was a break even. We had one final trade late in the day. As it rallied up to here, we got short with a limit order, and it quickly moved 3 points in our favor, so quickly hit our first 2 objectives, and we took out another point on the final partial on that. So we had a pretty nice day. I think we ended up netting, I think it was about 12 or 13 points for the day. So it was a nice day of trading. It was good to see the market moving around as much as it did today, but we still think the market is heading lower, and we're going to keep watching that 775 area, and then 881. We're expecting resistance at those levels. If we don't get it, then we will switch those resistance to supports and probably get a bit of a bounce. The market may be ready for a bounce. We just don't think so yet. Of course, that 740 area is an area that we have looked at as a likely target. We're almost there. We hit 52 and change today, so only about a dozen points from it, and really we're looking at the market to get down that low. So that's really what we're looking at as far as barriers above the current market and likely long-term support below it. So thanks for taking the time to view this quick video, and as always, if you have any questions or comments, just check us out at eMiniDayTrader.com or send us an email at info@eMiniDayTrader.com. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks.